Alright, going on this here for Jeremy. Sick Katie UD Black Patch Auto out of 25. Copy the 10 names on the list. Go down. Going live. It is 244. Paste those 10 names. 244. Going 8 times. Good luck. After 7 times, got Michael on top. It is 245, just turned 2. Last 5 time, good luck. Winner's gonna get a sick card. Carlo in the 4 spot. Congratulations, man. We went 8 times. Carlo is on top in the 4 spot. There's 8. There's Carlo on top. 245. The list again, 2 confirmed. We are done. It is 245.